From Elite Tactical and Master Cutlery, this is item number M-1024BS. It also comes in a BP, GP, and GS models. Features G10 handle scales, closed construction, pocket clip, officially licensed by the U.S. Marine Corps. It's a manual action knife, dual thumb studs as your openers, comes with a lanyard hole there, opens up very easily and smoothly, liner lock locking mechanism, very unique blade shape, extremely pointed with a nice curvature to the belly for slicing, combination edge. It has the serrations on the recurve, excellent for certain types of cutting, especially around any sort of curved target. So excellent design there. Locks up very securely, easy to disengage. Overall, an excellent value from the Elite Tactical brand of Master Cutlery.